I have Black Velvet's Indian curly texture installed, and I took the time today to brush out my curls to show you first how natural the hair looks, and second, the steps I take to get a nice consolidated defined curl look. So I have this spray bottle here that contains just water. I'm going to spray all of my hair to show you how I get my curls back. So everything is nice and damp. Nice and damp. There are no curls in my hair just yet. I do have leave out, ladies, but I make it all blend in with the water. And then I scrunch the hair extensions. Scrunch. This is how you create your texture. This is the finished look of my Indian curly extensions after drying. Sometimes I'll fluff it out just to get a fuller look. But this is it. With the 3 simple steps of just spraying it down with water, brushing through it, and scrunching it, this is the look that I got. Raw Indian hair. Have you tried it? It's time you got serious about your hair, ladies.